To make usucha, or thin matcha, you'll need three things: a matcha whisk, or chasen, a matcha scoop, or chashaku, and a matcha bowl, or chawan. It's also handy to have a kensui, or some sort of wastewater bowl, and a tea cloth to dry your utensils with. The first step is to pour hot water into the chawan. This serves the dual purpose of preheating the bowl and providing a way to preheat the whisk. Soaking and gently whisking the chasen like this softens the tines, making them less likely to break while whisking the tea. Then, you want to empty the water into your kensui or a sink and thoroughly dry the chawan, as any leftover water can lead to clumping, and nobody wants clumpy matcha. Next, measure 2 scoops of matcha using your chashaku and sift this into the chawan. Sifting the tea like this helps remove clumps and results in a smoother, frothier texture. Now add about 70 ml of 80 degrees Celsius water into the chawan and begin whisking in a back and forth motion using your wrist, and slowly pick up speed. At first, keep the whisk near the bottom of the bowl. This makes sure you're incorporating all of the powder and helps mix the air in evenly with the tea. Once a decent foam has formed, continue whisking while bringing the chasen up towards the surface of the tea to break down the larger bubbles, leaving a smooth and even foam. And that's it, your bowl of usucha is ready.